Good morning, my viewers. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to another round of mathematics class. In today's class, we are going to study how to solve this simple problem using elimination method. You can remember in our last class, I explained to you how to solve simple problems in simultaneous equations using substitution method. I have given this problem to solve using elimination method. Alright, the first thing we have to do is to write out the equations that are given to us. Now we are given 3x plus 2y equals 13. Then we are given 2x plus 3y equals 12. The first thing we have to do is call this equation 1, call this equation 2. So you just say equation 1, equation 2. Now, the next thing you have to understand is in elimination method, we are going to observe two simple rules. These rules are that the coefficient of the unknown which you want to eliminate, by the way, x and y are known as unknowns or variables. Now, to solve this problem, you have to decide which of these variables do you want to eliminate first. Because if you eliminate y, you will get the value of x. If you eliminate x, you will get the value of y. So it depends on you, the student, to decide which of these variables do you want to eliminate first before you can get the other one. You have your choice to make. Okay. If you go to equation 1, we have 3x plus 2y equals 13. Then here, assuming we want to eliminate x, let us remove x. That is elimination method. Remove x so that you'll be able to get y. Okay? Before you can do that, you have to observe two simple rules. The first rule is that the coefficients of x which you want to eliminate must be equal. And what do I mean by coefficients? 3 is a coefficient of x because 3 multiplies x. 2 is the coefficient of x. 2 is the coefficient of y. 3 is the coefficient of y. In fact, any number that multiplies a variable is a coefficient. That means our job is to make sure that the coefficient of that variable which you want to eliminate are equal, both in equation 1 and equation 2. So the first task is how to make these two coefficients to be equal, because we want to eliminate x. How to do it is to multiply the whole of equation 2 by the coefficient of x. So you just say the whole of equation 2 multiplied by 3, vice versa, the whole of equation 1 multiplied by 2. See how I did it? You want to make, let me repeat, you want to make the coefficient of x to be equal so that you can eliminate x. And I said that the first rule you have to observe is to multiply the whole of equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1, which is 3. The same way, multiply the whole of equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 2, which is 2. Now let's multiply it. You can draw your line if you like. 2 multiplied 3 will give you 6x plus 2 multiply 2y will give you 4y equals 2 multiply 13 will give you 26. You go to equation 2, multiply everything by 3. 3 multiplies 2x will give you 6x. You can see they are now equal. You continue, 3 multiply 3y will give you 9y because 3 times 3 is 9. 3 multiply 12 will give you 36. You see, the coefficient of x in this equation is now equal to the coefficient of x in this equation. You have obeyed the first rule of elimination. You've been able to make sure that the coefficients are equal. Now the next rule we are going to observe is to eliminate x. And how do you eliminate x? You can eliminate x by subtraction. You can eliminate x here by subtraction because remember, this is plus 6. This is plus 6 and this is plus 6. Because it is not written, nothing has changed. They are positive numbers. 6 is a positive number. Here 6 is also a positive number unless that is negative. So 6 minus 6 will give you 0. That means we have eliminated x. That's what we are going to do. Now, which of these equations is the greatest? I think this one that is equal to 36 is higher than this. This is 26. That means the whole of this equals 36. It is higher than the whole of this, which is equal to 26. So we are going to, you can as well name this equation 3 or name this equation 4 so that you'll be able to identify which of the equations you are referring to, because you'll be referring to these equations. That is how to solve Simultaneous equation. Okay, now we are going to subtract equation 3. This is equation 3. Equation 4 is higher than equation 3 because this is 36 and this is 26. So we are going to subtract the smallest one from the largest one. Alright? So we are going to subtract equation 3 from equation 4. Okay? So you can tell your examiner, you can say subtract equation 3 from equation 4. Okay, you can state it like this if you like. This will give you 6x minus 6x, that is here. Then we have plus, you can put it in bracket if you like. 9, because we are subtracting equation 3 from equation 4, that means 9y minus 4y. Don't make that mistake of saying 4 minus 9. 9y minus 4y equals 36 minus 26. Alright? The next thing is to open the brackets. 6 minus 6 is 0. X minus s is 0. So in other words, you can say 6x minus 6s equals 0. Then plus 9y minus 4y is just the same thing as saying 9 minus 4, which is what? 5. Just put 5y equals 36 minus 26 will give us 10. Alright? So 0 plus 5y will give us 5y. Let's clean this upper part, okay, and continue. Alright, so we continue from here. 0 plus 5y will give us 5y equals 10. In order to get the value of y, divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 5. We say therefore 5y over 5 equals 10 over 5. 5 will cancel 5 to give you 1. Okay? 5 will cancel 5 to give you 1. 1 times y will give you y. Equals 5 cancel 5, 1. Cancel 10, 2. 2 over 1 is 2. That means the answer is 2. We have successfully got the answer of y as 2. That's the first answer. Very simple. Now, to get the next answer, which is the value of x, we are going to either this equation 1 or equation 2. Anywhere we see y, we replace it with 2 so that we'll be able to get the value of x. Very simple. Okay, let me clean this. In order to do that, remember our y is 2. I want to clean this. Our y is 2. Let me write it here so that we will not forget. Y equals 2. This one has been established. Now, you can go to either equation 1 or equation 2. Let me use equation 1, for instance. So you can say substitute. This is short form of substitution. Substitute 2 for y in equation 1. Remember, y is 2. Okay, so what is that equation 1? You write it down. You say 3x plus 2. Anywhere you see y, you put what? 2. You can put it in brackets, equals 30. Very simple. 3x plus 2 times 2 will give us 4. Equals 13. Now we collect like terms. This is 3x. That is nothing like 3x again, or anything in x again. That means 3x doesn't have any like term. We bring it down. But 4 and 13 are constants. They don't have anything like variable, so they are like terms. So we collect them together. We usually carry this 4, go back, go to the right hand side to go and leave 13. So we first of all write 13. Then this is positive number. When it is going towards this side, it changes to negative. So we're going to bring minus 4 instead of plus 4. Okay, so we have 3x equals 13 minus 4 is 9. Therefore, divide, if you want to get the value of x, divide both sides by the coefficients. It's going to give you 3x over 3 equals 9 over 3. 3 cancel 3 will give you 1. 1 times x equals x. Then 3 cancel 9 will give you what? 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3. So the answer is 3. When y equals 2, x is 3. So these are the values of x and y. Okay, I believe you've been able to understand me. But if you didn't understand me, I am here for you. What you just need to do is go to the comment section and ask any question you want to ask. But please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please like my channel and subscribe to my channel. Very important, because you will be encouraging me to produce more videos like this by the time I see you subscribe to my channel. So when you subscribe, go to the comment section, ask any question you want to ask, or bring more problems on simultaneous equation using either elimination method or substitution method. Any problem you have encountered which is difficult for you to solve in simultaneous equation, please go to the comment section of this video and drop down that question for me. I will solve it in my next class. So please encourage me as you watch this video. Please subscribe, invite your children, let them watch this video, share this video to their friends and well-wishers, and I believe this will go a long way in helping them.